We are reporting live from Ryan International School. And we proudly present
the Republic of Singapore.
As our delegation comprises of 21 delegates, 3 executive board members and 3 world press members. Now it's finally time for Singapore on track. As our delegation moves in the MRT across Singapore, we'll report live to every different station, collecting information from every part of the country.
You're watching Singapore on Track. I'm your anchor, Khanak, and today we'll travel across Singapore on the MRT, where each station brings us live reports from our correspondents all across the country. Now, let's move towards the heart of Singapore's economy. Starting with, we have Ayush, our correspondent, who brings us latest financial updates.
Singapore's labour market remains stable, with unemployment at just 2%. But economists are watching global developments closely. Rising tensions in the Middle East have disrupted key shipping routes and increased energy costs, which impacts the global supply chains for the Singapore's trade-driven economy. Let's hear from the people on the streets. Excuse me, if you could describe Singapore's job market amid the Middle East tensions in one word, what would it be?
I guess slightly worried.
And what about you?
Cautiously hopeful.
And what's your opinion, sir?
I think positive feeling.
Let's hear from another group of people. Hello. If you could describe Singapore's job market amid the Middle East tensions in one word, then what would it be?
Pretty confident.
And what about you?
Really anxious.
And what do you think, sir?
Feeling uncertain.
These are the words of the citizens of Singapore. Over to Anchor.
Thank you, Ayush. Now let's see how Singapore is making a difference beyond its borders. Next, we have our reporter Aditri with the story.
Since October 2023, Singapore has contributed over 25 million Singapore dollars for humanitarian aid to Gaza through 11 tranches of aid. In 2023, the government awarded additional 1 million Singapore dollars for humanitarian aid, supporting the provision of food, clean water, medical supplies, and other essential aid.
Our next stop is Singapore's Innovation Hub. Joining us from One North is our correspondent Mahika with the latest technological updates.
Singapore has committed over 1 billion Singapore dollars to AI research and talent development through 2030. According to a 2026 government report, 28.5% of firms have adopted AI, while adoption among large companies has reached over 78.4%, highlighting Singapore's rapid digital transformation and its commitment towards building an AI-powered economy.
Singapore shows us what happens when a community rises as one.
Heading into Invent 26. This is the spirit we carry into every room.
Real impact isn't made alone.
It's forged right here, side by side.